Welcome. If this is your first time to this channel, my name is Jack Haryu from Atlantis Water Gardens. We build and showcase multiple types of water features in our business. Anything from fountainscapes to backyard koi fish ponds, pondless or disappearing waterfalls, and other cool projects like rec ponds and or swim ponds. For those of you that have been part of this channel since 2018, let me give you a quick shout out. Okay, today's shout out is Ray Kelly. Ray, thanks for all your positive interaction. Love the comments, keep it going. Appreciate you being here, man. Let's get to it. What are we doing today? We are talking about my 3 favorite projects from 2018. And let me give you a little heads up about today's episode. I went down to Arizona to see my friend Ralph and Allison Bezad, along with a bunch of my other friends and my family. And I did an epic motorcycle ride from California to Arizona down the coast. Something I've always wanted to do, so that is a big part of today's vlog. So if you're not into seeing really cool scenery or awesome motorcycles, skip ahead to here and you can watch my 3 favorite water features from 2018. So let's head over to Arizona and get this thing rolling. And you want to ride motorcycles?
Hey, put the camera down. I'm going inside. It's cold.
This is ridiculous. Yeah, so here's the deal. We are having some major issues with Ralph's motorcycle right now. We'll see what happens here. We sent Alan to get some parts at Harley, and hopefully that's gonna solve our problem. If not, Ralph might be trading this in for a new one.
That might not be good. Moment of truth.
Oh, come on, baby. We throw the mat on it.
It's empty.
We got one shot here that it might be, I don't know if you can even see this. Look way inside there. There's a rubber boot that seals the carburetor. We're hoping that's it. If not, we're just gonna burn this thing and Ralph's gonna get on the back of Alan's bike.
I went and got the parts. He's riding with you.
Take two.
It might be take 17, but who cares? Please work. I think it's the coil. Bad news, we can't get one today. All right, Ralph, it was a nice trip with you. Alan and April and I are gonna get going now. See you later.
Well, I'm gonna make some friends on the streets. You're fine. Good news. A shop about 10 miles away has the part that we need. I think we need. Hope I can limp it all the way there.
So we're thinking it's not the coil. We're gonna check it over, see if we can find something else that might be causing the problem, but it's not looking real good. Bad news, folks. We're gonna get a hotel. Not sure how this is gonna shake out tomorrow, but I'm confident Ralph will figure out a solution.
Gotta call Allison.
To be continued. Next day. Here's the situation with the motorcycle saga. Ralph found a shop which is very close to the hotel we stayed at last night, and we're hoping he can fix this thing. Otherwise, what happens, Ralph? Oh, I didn't record that. Which means he would not be able to finish the ride with us back to Arizona, which would be terrible. So we're hoping this gets resolved very shortly here, because we got to get back on the road. Yeah, we ain't got time to mess around. So make it happen, Ralph.
All right.
Good luck, man.
All right.
Bye, Ralph.
Bye.
Good luck, Ralph. Can you bypass it? You don't have one either, right? Figure, yeah, why don't you? Yeah. When we get ready to roll, we'll call you. It's not sounding good. Let us know. You know. So Ralph's over at the mechanic. They've been working on it for hours, and
Jack's working on his vlog right now.
It's not looking too good. We're gonna go over there and see what the deal is, and we might have to roll on without him because we have to get back to Arizona because we fly out in like 4 days. I got bad news, good news, bad news, good news. Bad news, Ralph's bike is trashed. We can't fix it. We don't know what's wrong with it. Took it to a shop, cannot fix it. So that means that bike is out. Not coming back to Arizona under its own power. Good news, we got a truck and April Frost. April Frost is saving our butt because she is gonna drive the truck with Ralph's bike in it back to Arizona. Thank you so much, April. You are the best. Bad news, we had plans to stop at Laguna Koi, and with the time frame we have, just not happening. Good news, we're gonna show you some more projects for 2018 just to fill this thing out because we gotta change gears because this guy brought an old motorcycle that's unreliable.
Hey, can you turn that off? It's time to get back on the road.
We're gonna ride down the PCH, something I've always wanted to do for my entire life. And we're gonna show you some cool projects from 2018. Hope you guys are sticking around for this because this is getting real weird around here. I don't know what to do, but we gotta make plans here. And this is what we got. And we got no ramp, so we gotta lift it up in there. She's in, ready to go. We are in San Diego, California. We made it all the way down the Pacific Coast Highway. I have dreamed of doing this ride since I was a boy. I've always wanted to have a Harley Davidson and ride it down the California coast. Mission accomplished. So what I'm gonna do is the perfect spot for me to share with you 3 of my favorite projects from 2018, starting with the one we did in New Hampshire for Charlie Holland. Let's go check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Charlie's project as much as we did. For our next stop, we're going to Long Island to visit my friend Ed Drohan for an amazing project we did back in July. Check it out. That was a completely awesome trip on the road that we had. Arizona, California blew my mind. Fantastic. The last project I want to share from 2018, which was my absolute favorite, was my backyard. We took my destroyed backyard because the tree came down, wrecked everything, and we completely converted it into mesmerizing fountainscapes, cool sunken patios, fire pits, all kinds of places to entertain and have a good time with my family in the backyard. Check it out. Hope you all enjoyed my backyard renovation as much as my family and I do. We absolutely love it. Thank you to all these amazing people that I spent the last 10 days on the road with. April, you are the VIP of the trip for taking Ralphie's bike. There you go. Taking Ralphie's bike in the back of the truck and giving up your bike to Ralph. Ralph, you owe her a lot.
Yeah.
That was amazing. Guys, if you like what we're doing over here, hit that subscribe button, drop me a like. I want to hear comments about all the craziness we've been up to over here. And 2019 is going to be on fire. See you on the next one.